So this will be a quickie. I just wanted to update on the freezing report. They called me last week and I had 28 embryos. If you haven't seen the last video, I had 28 fertilized embryos, and they waited until the day 6 because some of them didn't really, get to the blastocyst stage until the day 6. I don't know if that's good or bad, but they froze 13 embryos, and then they said they were the best quality possible. They don't grade them like I've seen on the internet, like A, B, B, A, so I don't really know, the actual grade. They just said it was good as it can be good. So I have 13 babies, possible babies, that I'm either gonna have to have them all or find parents for some of them. But we're very excited, very, very excited. I can't wait for my FET. And I also got my period this weekend, 1 week sooner than expected, which is also good because now my FET is 1 week closer than originally. So very excited about that too. And in the meantime, I'm just doing all the things that I wanted to do while I can. I went on a girls' night out this weekend, went drinking with my friends, having sushi, got my hair did, and just enjoying life. And for once, since I've started TTCing, finally, I feel happy even though I'm not pregnant. I am happy that I'm trying, and I'm happy that I'm doing IVF, and I haven't felt this hopeful and happy in a very long time. And I'm just hoping that it doesn't come crumbling down on me. It won't, right? It won't. You will just continue to go up. Fingers crossed. Well, thank you for watching. Told you this was a quickie. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Let's be buddies. Let me know how your cycle is going. I want to know. And I will talk to you soon. Aloha.